So I got these back from the machine shop. The boys were able to put the 160 millimeter bolt hole circle on here, so I can use the TI frame for this, which is what I wanted to do. This is the smaller Solo X motor, 3-inch standard. Just to give you a look at some of that work they did with the ventilation. Not that I think it's effective, but they did it. So, and then they got this aluminum heatsink on top. It's probably glued in there. I'll try to get it off just because when you put it through that much heat, because I got to get this ferrite off, sometimes you got to chip it off or use a ball peen and some squinticles instead of spectacles. And then sometimes what happens is that the glue fails on the piece of aluminum, and then later when the woofer's running, it'll do this. So of course mine will be removable top assembly, so in case that does happen, we can just take it out and put it back together and it's fine. So but we're going to put a bunch of bigger ferrite on here, and then I wanted to show you the Solo. Now this is, what is this? The Type R, the original Type R with the 2-inch coil that everybody loves, that everybody talks about. So this one, and that's their venting system. So it just comes out the back, but it's bolted into the T-yoke. And then I'm going to go more GONZO with the big slugs. And then I think I'm doing a larger top plate with a 5-inch bolt pattern, so I can put it on a regular frame, not their stupid Alpine frame. So yeah, small updates, projects going on. Mostly we're shipping orders and getting more new stuff. I got to do a bunch of reviews now on the Recoil stuff that's coming out for Can-Ams, razors, and anywhere that you want a micro Class D 4-channel or mono amp. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Love you.